literally laughing. So yesterday, after we dropped Eldon, we were very tired and we did not vlog much. Went to sleep. I went home and then took some rest and everything. And now I'm going to meet him again. I need to meet up my friend as well, so I'm going to meet him again. And before that, I need to buy some buns, Goan buns, which you get it in Hounslow West. Guys, this is the Goan restaurant in Hounslow West. It's known as Viva Goa. Come and have a look. Come and enjoy their food as well. Just like Casa de Goa, they are also too good. Look who I'm come to meet. He's enjoying his buns and bhaji. Go! Welcome back to our vlogs.
Yeah, and I came all the way from Wembley to Hounslow only to meet my darling friend.
She's so sweet. We'll see you all in some time.
And now I'm going to H&M, you know where? In Hounslow, not in Wembley anymore. Come along with me. Here we go.
She's so excited. She's so excited. Look at her. Jolene, I think you should try this out.
Wow, it's super sexy.
Kittu murugota, kittu murugota. To find something for her. I found this one very pretty. I found it very pretty for her, but she's like, it's too boring. Let's see. This is what happens off screen. If you guys don't know, this is what happens behind the shots. So she didn't find anything that was good for her. Look at her face. She's like, we're going to some other stores and have a look if she finds something for her, something nice. You want to go to TK Maxx? You want to go down this side? Okay, our mom is lost.
It's got something really sexy.
Okay, where you want to go? TK Maxx?
My momsy is gone to Popsy. Oh, hi.
This is what happened. We were shopping for clothes and I'll show you.
People, I would like to say that I love her vlogs, and the best part of her vlogs is her laugh. You know what I told her? I said, I'm not come for shopping, I'm just come to meet you.
I just want to spend time with her. I was like, oh my god. Jolene, you want to eat something?
ना 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 जब मैं ksenia के साथ होती हूँ मुझे भूख नहीं लगती है.
Oh my god, that is very cheesy. We are turned into hungry monsters.
My stomach is tumbling and grumbling and rumbling.
And
I
grumbling?
just don't know what to do. I feel like eating bushu up.
No, don't eat me up. Wait. So we had gone to Tucker's, but then what she wanted was not there. So I bought her now to Crispy Dosa, which is right there. Oh, Bushu Chockies. I really felt so nice today, just being with you. Whatever I had, this delicious meal. But just being with you, spending time with you, and just looking at the way you smile and the way you talk is like so very amazing. I bought her to St. Michael and St. Martin's Church. Her mom wanted to visit it and to see it. Jolene only saw it on Facebook, so now she's finally over here.
Yeah, and I didn't know that it lies on the street. I thought that okay, it had a big compound and a big garden and things like that. But nevertheless, I'm still happy to be here. Thank you, Bushu.
You're cute. Her mom enjoys my vlogs.
And so do I.
And now she's on the vlog.
And so do I.
Bora maska mata. No, it was really a good time. We enjoyed ourselves. We had lunch together. We roamed around. We tried to shop, but then nothing much. We didn't find anything much.
So you're trying to bid farewell? No ways.
No, I'm just saying about the day, Look at her.
It's really amazing. I wish the day never had any hours. It was just like, continuous. No days, no time. Just 100% being with this crazy little sis. You need to subscribe to her channel, because if you don't subscribe, you are really missing something really great and amazing.
Yeah, do subscribe, like and share. If you want to see more of Jolene's, she takes classes in London, as I have mentioned before in my vlogs. There are new workshops coming up. We are going to be working on new workshops.
And that workshop is a fun dance workshop. That's what you said. Fun dance workshop for all people on wheelchairs. And this talented young lady is going to be teaching. And I would like all of you to join in over there. And the link to join will be out soon.
Do visit our website. I'll put the link down. Visit our website. I'll put the link also for our Instagram, the video that we did together.
Yeah.
The video that we did together. It was really nice. It's really nice. And I've taught her a song she wanted to do. And yeah, she gave me good reviews as well.
And I'm waiting for a review from her.
I put already a review.
No, a video review, That.
Yeah. Look at the expression. Time to say goodbye.
Oh, how fast the time flies. Oh, nice
See you
meeting
soon.
you.
See you next time.
Show your face, man.
See you soon. See you
Oh,
next
see you
time.
soon, darling.
Bye
Bye.
bye. Cartoon number one. Cartoon number one.